Hey, my thick, my damn squad. Welcome back to my channel. It's Mika, Miss Thick Madam. And yes, I am finally back with another video. I know y'all asking where I've been, right? It's okay. But if you like this video, make sure you do not forget to hit that subscribe button. And also, like, share, and comment down below. And please do not forget to turn on your post notifications so the next time I upload a video, which I promise it will not be forever, you will be the first to know, okay? So guys, I hope everyone is doing fine out here. I hope you are safe. I am praying for each and every one of you. I hope you do the same for me and my family. This coronavirus is serious right now. So guys, please, 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 please do all that you can. Stay safe. And if you don't have to be out there, like if you're not on the front lines, please stay home. Okay, so let's just get into this pre-recorded video I did, pre-wash day. I was supposed to bring to you last month when I did my natural hair routine. So I lost some of the footage, but here is a few clips that I put together for you to see what I usually do during my wash days. That is the rice water shampoo by Shea Moisture. As you see, was not that much, so I had to also use my Suave, which is my little backup shampoos when I run out of my Shea Moisture and I run out my good ones. So, but just one works. This is good.
I'm singing my own songs and making ends meet, but good enough ain't good nor enough. When going for gold and things can get rough, what lies beyond the horizon? Let's go find out.
I'm also going to use some coconut conditioner. This is also by Suave. And then I will also go in with a deep conditioner by Bella Curls deep conditioning mask that I like to use. I love to deep condition my hair every time I wash it. Whether it be a cold wash or a shampoo, I always deep condition my hair. I found out my hair loves it. It takes to it. I can see a big difference from what I used to do when I used to just wash my hair, maybe do a quick conditioner. My hair just holds up much better when I deep condition. So I'm going to just go ahead and use the aloe vera for my hair. Unfortunately, I lost the clip, so I didn't show me actually putting the aloe vera in my hair, but I do show in this clip me just cutting it up because I do plan to use it for my daughter's hair, and I'm going to make a mask as well as like an oil, everyday oil I can use. So that's why I actually bought, I think I bought 3 of these, I'm not sure. But when I put it in my hair, I mixed that up and I put that in my hair. And I did that before I washed my hair, before I shampooed it. And then I went in with the deep conditioner. So that's what I'm doing here. And I hope you just go ahead and enjoy this clip. And the reason why I'm doing this is because it is really good to cut it up and store it in a Ziploc bag so that it will last longer. Even right now while I'm doing this voiceover, I have another half of aloe vera plant, and I went and checked on it yesterday, and it is perfect. I mean, the sides is going to get a little grainy, but you cut that off. But the inside of it is still good. Aloe vera plant is a very durable plant, and it lasts for a good while. Especially if you're gonna keep it in for a little longer, I would advise you probably try to freeze it because it'll stay fresh even longer. But if you're gonna, I think some people can leave aloe vera plant. I think I left it in my refrigerator for about a month, 3 weeks to a month, and it's still good because I didn't cut the inside of it. I just cut the sides of it. So that's what I'm doing here. And this is what my hair looks like. It came out really good. And that's just like, that's just before I washed it. And that's that, you see the shrinkage is real. But this is before I washed it.
You're the one I trust. I belong to you. And I'll always be around.
Okay, so I'm just gonna go in and wash my hair, put the deep conditioner in, and get it under the dryer, as you can see. I'm gonna go ahead and wash this out and start twisting my hair. I also used some Duke Grow and just some kid curly stuff, just stuff I had leftover products that I had because yeah, I do run out of products sometimes. So, but it's just enough just to make sure my twists stay in and it looks nice and defined. And as you can see from the last video, it did come out very great. My hair grew a lot, yes, and this is from what, a month or two ago. We almost like about almost a month, 2 months now, and my hair has been growing a lot. So I really cannot wait until it's time to get my hair professionally pressed, washed, so I can get it trimmed and do a length check, and that will be coming soon, guys. As soon as we can get a hang on this coronavirus stuff, you know. It's messed up right now, but you know what? We're strong. We just gotta support our first responders, our people on the front lines, thank them, appreciate them, and just do what they said to us for us to do. Just stay home. Stay home. You don't have to be out, and you know, keep yourself healthy. Make sure you're eating the right things. Add more greens, vegetables, healthy stuff in your in your diet. Excuse me, and also incorporate some vitamins. So that's what I can tell you guys. But yeah, let's go ahead and get the rest of this done, and we'll just show you. I'll show you the final results, and I'll be back.
Forever belong to you. You and me were meant to be as one. The universe has known it all along. Maybe this is where our story starts. Maybe it was written in the stars. Written in the stars. You, me, forever.
Okay guys, so this is what the twist looked like on one side. I did go off camera and finish the other side of my hair, and I left them for about 2 days so that I can, yeah, I was supposed to take them out the next day, but I just didn't get around to it. So, but this is what it looks like at the back, and I'm gonna go ahead and do the rest off camera. And definitely, if you like what I did here, especially with the aloe vera plant, and you want to see more videos, like, share, comment down below, leave some suggestions, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel, turn on your post notifications so you will be able to see when I upload new videos. And this is what it looks like the next day, as you can see in the last video that I did here. So, you know, guys, stay safe again. I'm praying for my first responders. And until the next time, stay blessed, stay beautiful, as always. Smooches.
And I never let you down, let you down, let you down. I'm your song, and you're playing all my melodies.